Based on these identities, you have to solve some problems. 6 problems are there. You have to solve. You have to utilize these basic identities, and you have to solve this problem. You have to utilize this basic identity while solving the problems. First question is x plus 2y bracket square is equal to question mark. You have to find out what will come. Then in this condition, you have to utilize the basic identities. Which identity you have to utilize, that you have to see. This one is plus. For plus, which identity you have to utilize? First identity. Which one is the identity? A plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Here a is equal to, you have to take x. A is equal to, you have to take x. A is equal to x and b is equal to, you have to take 2y. So b is equal to, you have to say that 2y. So you have to put the value of a as x and b as 2y. So x plus 2y is equal to, a square means x square plus 2 into a means x multiplied by b means 2y. In between 2ab, this one is 2 multiplied by a multiplied by b plus b value is 2y square. Then you have to do the square. X square is x square. 2 multiplied by, you have to write the numeric terms together and the variable terms together. So you will write like this: 2 multiplied by 2 into x multiplied by y, and this 2y square means 2 square and y square. 2 square is 4, y square is y square. So this will come x square plus 2 to the 4 will come. X multiplied by y is equal to xy plus 4y square. In this way, x plus 2y bracket square is equal to x square plus 4xy plus 4y square. Means you have to do the practice. Instead of solving all this, you have to directly say that x square first term square plus 2 into first term into second term, 2 into first term into second term is equal to 4xy plus second term square is 4y square. In the same manner, 2x minus 5y bracket square you have to solve. Here you have to use here is the minus sign, so you have to utilize the minus identity. A minus b bracket square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here this 2x is equal to, you have to say a, and 5y is equal to, you have to say b. So a is equal to 2x, b is equal to 5y. You have to put this value of a as 2x and b as 5y in this above formula. So 2x plus 5y bracket square is equal to, a is 2x square minus 2 into 2x into 5y, and this b value is 5y bracket square. Here square of 2 also and square of x also. Here also square of 5 also and square of y also. So 2x square is 4x square. Here you have to write these numeric terms together and the variable terms together, and you have to say that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 5 and x multiplied by y. So you have to do the product, and this 5 square is 25, y square is y square. So this 4x square as it is you have to write. 2 2s are 4, 4 5s are 20. So you have to say that x multiplied by y is equal to xy. So this will come 20xy, and this 5y square will come this 25y square as it is you have to write. And from that you have to say that 2x minus 5y bracket square is equal to 4x square plus 20xy plus 25x square. Here if minus sign, at that time this sign will come minus, this sign will also come minus. Here if minus sign, at that time middle term has the minus sign. So 2x minus 5y bracket square is equal to 4x square minus 20xy plus 25y square. Then here 5m plus 3n in one bracket and 5m minus 3n in another bracket. Which identity you have to utilize? One time plus and one time minus. One time plus and one time minus. So you have to utilize this identity. A plus b in one bracket, a minus b in another bracket is equal to a square minus b square. At that time a is equal to 5m you have to say, b is equal to 3n you have to say. So a is equal to, you have to utilize 5m and b is equal to 3n. You have to put this value of a as 5m and b as 3n in above formula. At that time 5m plus 3m and 5m minus 3n is equal to 5m bracket square minus 3n bracket square. So this as it is you have to write, because you have to, after utilizing the formula of this, what answer will come, that you have to find out. So 5m square is 5m multiplied by 5m. 5m square means 2 times multiplication of 5m. 3n square means 2 times multiplication of 3n. You have to write these numeric terms together and the variable terms together. Numeric terms together and the variable terms together. This will come 5 multiplied by 5, m multiplied by m. 3 multiplied by 3 and n multiplied by m, n multiplied by n, 5 5s are 25, m multiplied by m is equal to m square, minus sign as it is, 3 3s are 9, n multiplied by n is equal to n square, and from that we will get this expansion from by using the formula a plus b in one bracket multiplied by a minus b in another bracket is equal to a square minus b square. Then you have to find out this answer 101 bracket square is equal to. Here also you will utilize these basic identities. This 101 you will write like this: 100 plus 1. 100 plus 1 is equal to 101. So you have to for utilizing this identity and for easy calculation you have to use this identity. This one is the plus identity you have to use. So a plus b bracket square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. A is equal to you have to say 100 and b is equal to you have to say 1. So you have to put a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 1. So you have to utilize a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 1 in above formula. So 100 plus 1 bracket square is equal to 100 square plus 2 into 100 into 1 plus 1 square. 100 square means 2 times multiplication of 100. If you will do the 100 multiplied by 100, here if you will do the calculation like this: 100 multiplied by 100, 100 multiplied by 100. At that time you have to count the 0. How many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to give the 4 0 and 1 1s are 1 you have to do. Means this answer will come 10,000 plus 2 multiplied by 100 is equal to 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by 1 is equal to 200. 1 square 1. So 10,000 plus 200 plus 1 is equal to 10,201. So if we add this, this answer will come. And instead of doing the multiplication of 101 multiplied by 101, by using the basic identity as a plus b bracket square, you will solve this example like this and you will get the answer like this. Then 98 bracket square. See, this 98 means 100 minus 2. Here 100 minus 2, and you have to utilize the 100 a minus b bracket square identity. Here 100 is equal to a you have to put and 2 is equal to b you have to put, or a value you have to take as 100. A value you have to take 100 and b value you have to take 2, and you have to put these values of a is equal to 100 and b is equal to 2 in this identity. At that time 100 minus 2 bracket square is equal to, this a means 100 square minus 2 into 100 into b value is 2 plus 2 square. 100 square is 10,000. 2 multiplied by 2 is 4. 4 multiplied by 100 is equal to 400. And 2 2s are 4. This, first of all you have to do the subtraction. This will come 10,000 minus 400 is equal to 9,600 plus 4 as it is. So 9,604 answer will come. So 100 is 98 square is equal to, 98 square is equal to this answer will come. Then you have to solve the sixth problem. Here you have to do the product of 102 multiplied by 98. So instead of doing the multiplication directly, you have to utilize the identity. Here this 102 you will write like this: 100 plus 2. 98 you will write like this: 100 minus 2. 102 how you will write 100 plus 2, and 98 you will write 100 minus 2. And which identity you have to write? 1's plus 1 minus, then 1's plus and 1 minus, then you have to utilize the identity a plus b in one bracket multiplied by a minus b in another bracket is equal to a square minus b square. Here value of a is equal to, you have to put as 100, value of b you have to put as 2. Then you have to say that 100 plus 2 multiplied by 100 minus 2. Then you have to say that a square is 100 square minus 2 square. 100 square is 10,000 and 2 square is 4. 10,000 minus 4 is equal to, this answer will come 9996. So you have to say that 102 multiplied by 98 is equal to, this answer will come 9996. So you have to utilize each and every identity. You have to decide that which identity you will utilize for solving this problem. So you have to learn this identity properly, and when this type of questions are there, that time you have to utilize the identity and you have to solve the example by using the identity. This is the basic of the maths of the algebra. So for solving the algebra, these are the basic identities and these are very essential for the future. So you have to learn this identity and you have to do all these things properly. Write all these things in the notebook. Thank you.